Hello guys, this is Madden Mobile Swagger, and today I'm going to be making my first ever YouTube video, and I'm going to be basically doing Madden Mobile videos and occasionally NBA Live mobile videos, occasionally when it comes into the American App Store. But anyways, so please subscribe, and if you do, I'm sure we will be doing lots of coin giveaways. We'll be doing a lot of pack openings, just all this good stuff. And yeah, it's going to be awesome. So please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, so let's get started with this Ultimate Legend pack. Now, this is my first time opening one of these things, so I don't know what to expect. It's probably going to be all terrible stuff. Don't think anything's going to be good. Oh, God. Antonio Gates, really? Screw you. Oh, look at these guys. That's pretty good. Decent. Ooh, Paul Kruger. I did not know I was going to pull that. Well, that's my best ever elite pull. That's pretty good. Well, there's that pack. So, there you go. There's the Ultimate Legend pack. Please tell your friends, your family, and even your enemies to please watch us. Please subscribe. As I said, we will be doing lots of pack openings, lots of team builders, giveaways, and stuff like that. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like it,